Hello friends, this is Alex Jacob. So with immense pleasure, I would like to announce that I am starting a new YouTube channel in English. So most of you might be already knowing that I was running a YouTube channel in Malayalam for almost 1.5 years and I got 30k subscribers and all told that they found the channel very useful. That's the only reason I am starting this channel in English and I hope you guys also will enjoy the channel. So if you like it, please hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. So the whole purpose of this channel is to help you identifying different investment opportunities around us and to help you in financial education. So the right level of financial education. So I don't claim that I know all the answers in finance, but I'll try my level best to give you the lessons which I have learned over my last 10 years of investment journey. My effort here is meant for the people who wants to achieve financial freedom in a legitimate way. So I'll not introduce you any fraud schemes. I'll not give you any shortcuts of making money through this channel. I will not promote any sort of fraud activities or illegal way of earning money. You heard a new word, financial independence or financial freedom. So what do you mean by financial freedom? There is a famous question by Buckminster Fuller that how many days you can survive in this world without your job or without your salary. Have you ever thought about that? Some are gonna say it is couple of days or weeks. Some people might say a few months or few years. But what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is a state when all your expenses are covered by your asset classes. For that, what you have to do? You have to create your asset classes. Then only you can enjoy the freedom to its core. So that is called financial freedom. That means you don't need to work for your money. Money will start working for you. It is very easy in theories but very hard to achieve in life. Have you heard about the rat race? Rat race is nothing but I'll tell you with one simple example. My grandparents told my father that he need to learn well in schools and he have to get better education. He have to go for a good job so his life will be settled. Then at one point he realized that that's not going to work. So he started repeating the same story to me as well. That I have to learn better in schools and I have to get better education. I have to go for a good job so that my family also will get settled. So this keeps on repeating between generations and the people cannot come out of this rat race. They will be always keeps middle class. So what is the reason for that? You are not thinking exceptionally. You are not going to create any wealth in your life if you don't know what is the concept of financial freedom. So it is very important to know what is financial freedom and work for it. It is possible. It is not a myth. There are a lot of people who are achieving the financial freedom. There is a big debate going between the FIRE community and the YOLO community. So what is FIRE community? So millennials already know that it is financially independent, retire early. There are a lot of youngsters who achieved their financial freedom even before they are 35 because they were very frugal in their beginning of their journey and they achieved financial freedom with well-defined goals. But the YOLO community is entirely opposing this FIRE community because they think that you only live once. Then why you need to save the money? Why you need to be frugal? Enjoy the moment, enjoy the present. That is how they are thinking. So that's a big difference between financial independence and you only live once. But you need to understand one point. If you are very frugal in the beginning of your journey, maybe at an early stage you can achieve your financial freedom and you can be like a YOLO also. But YOLOs are not getting the chance of being a financial independent guy. So what is the advantage of financial freedom? Financial freedom is giving you the freedom. It is not about making hell lot of money and live like a king. Do you want to quit your 9 to 5 job and spend more time with your family, or want to be a good parent to your kids or good spouse to your partner or good son or daughter to your parents? Definitely you need financial freedom. If you don't have financial freedom, you cannot enjoy the time with your family, right? Else you will be tightly packed with your 9 to 5 job and you are hardly will get time to spend with your family. So you need financial freedom at one point. So for achieving the financial freedom, you have to work very hard. You need to set goals and work for it. It is not a myth. It is something possible. You should have a system to achieve your financial freedom. System works, people fails. You have to understand that. So you need to work hard for achieving your financial freedom. So my effort here is meant for the people who wants to achieve the financial freedom in a slow but sensible way of making wealth. So I will introduce you definitely the different investment opportunities around us towards your financial independence journey. So subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed to my channel and wait for the upcoming videos. We spent almost 18 years of our life to get the basic education, but in school system nobody taught us how to earn money, how to spend money, how to manage money. Even our parents couldn't do that, even teachers couldn't do that. It is not their fault, it is a problem with our education system. So if you don't know how to manage the money, it is very important that how to manage the money. So it is not the problem with how to earn more money, it is a problem with how you manage your money. So right level of financial education is very much important in the finance independence journey. So if you don't know how to manage your money, you are not going to achieve achieve your financial freedom. A lot of people thinks that money is the root of all evils, and they thinks that earning more money is something very bad. So it is not the problem with the money. Money is just a tool. Let's consider the example of a knife. You can use the same knife for cutting an apple and can use it for killing a person also, right? So it is depends on the person who is handling the tool. So in the case of money also, it is the same story. It depends on the person who is managing the money. So if you don't know how to manage the money for the good things, you are not going to achieve financial freedom in your life. So it is very important to have a right level of financial literacy to handle your money. I am not a full-time YouTuber, and you cannot expect me to upload videos every now and then. So you can expect new videos on every Sunday when I upload to the channel. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon, because the bell icon is going to give you the notifications when I upload new videos to the channel. So next week we'll meet you again. So till then, Alex Jacob signing off. You guys already know that I was running a channel in Malayalam for almost 1.5 years, and we got almost 30,000 following. Slow but sensible way of making wealth. So who all want